Hi, this is Chris Herrera in my series about transient design. Okay, overview and definition. A transient shaper or designer lets you control the attack and sustain of a given signal. Unlike a compressor, they do not affect the level of the entire envelope of a sound. Transient designers can increase or decrease the attack and lengthen or shorten the release phase. Transient designers can sharpen a signal's punch and clarity and even minimize mic bleed or reverb. Some plugins are pretty simple in layout, including just attack, release, and a gain control. Modern plugins boast many more features, such as wet-dry mix controls, sidechain filters, and more. In that regard, they're way more advanced and flexible than even hardware.